Hello, my good friends. Up to $3,600 can be claimed by millions of Americans across the United States. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi and Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer are urging President Biden to quickly sign the new massive social spending bill into law so that additional crisis relief can go out to all Americans this month. Friends, this is your daily news report and fourth stimulus check update. Please make sure to watch until the end of this video. Also, do share this video with your friends and family if they need more reliable stimulus news. If you're interested in entering this coming Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, where I'll be giving away 3 $75 Walmart gift cards, then please be sure to listen for the key word from this video.
American products made in America, including all the component parts of that product, with very few exceptions. With the support of the American private sector, our business leaders and entrepreneurs, our workers, our union leaders, they've all come together like never before in my days in Washington. I know it hasn't been easy. I know that January was a very hard month for many Americans. I know that after almost 2 years, the physical and emotional weight of the pandemic has been incredibly difficult to bear for so many people. But here's the good news. We have the tools to save lives and to keep businesses open and keep schools open, keep workers on the job, and sustain this historic economic comeback. Vaccination and boosters have proven incredibly effective. This past month, we started mailing out tens of millions of at-home tests to deliver to your home for free, so you can determine whether or not you have COVID. And that's in addition to the 20,000 sites across America where you can get a test in person for free to determine whether or not you have COVID. And we have more treatments today to keep people out of the hospital, including life-saving antiviral pills, which we...
Even in this year, millions of Americans are still feeling the impact from this crisis when they file their taxes. Our federal government in 2021 have already approved stimulus checks, scaled up unemployment benefits, federal student loan forbearance, and advanced child tax credit payments to bridge hard-hit Americans through this crisis. But friends, that direct aid has major implications during the 2022 tax season that could ultimately end up impacting the size of your refund. During the beginning days of this crisis, Congress did step up and provide people with the stimulus checks that they needed to get by and that our economy needed to stay afloat. Providing people with cash to spend on food, groceries, fuel, rent, and other basic necessities showed that the public could trust the government to be there for them during difficult times. The crisis is still ongoing today. There are still millions of Americans that are at risk of slipping into poverty, all caused by this crisis. Last year, President Biden and Democrats expanded the popular child tax credit program, providing working families with up to $3,600 annually for every kid and transforming the benefit into an automatic monthly payment instead of a once-a-year line item on your tax return. Just like stimulus checks, expanded child tax credit payments were very successful. In the month of December of 2021, the monthly cash assistance program lifted nearly 4 million children out of poverty. Hunger fell by more than 25%. So if the child tax credit is extended through this year, it will help cut poverty nearly in half. Democrats are still hoping to extend the monthly payments for 1 more year as part of the Build Back Better Act. However, they need more votes for the legislation to pass. And right now, there is some resistance by Senate Democrat Joe Manchin of West Virginia. The loss of these payments has had a devastating impact on millions of families. A new study from Columbia University shows that 3.7 million children have fallen back into poverty in just the past 2 months. A staggering 10 million children are now at risk of falling back into deeper poverty. The monthly child tax credit showed that the U.S. government is competent and can do big things. Just months after Congress created this entirely new program, the Internal Revenue Service implemented it and distributed payments to families of nearly 60 million children in the month of July. Because of its experience with stimulus checks, the IRS was able to distribute the payments automatically to most families. In addition to that, at a time when all families are facing increased costs at the fastest clip in 4 decades, the child tax credit can offset rising prices on many essential goods. Unfortunately, just as both inflation and the crisis have surged, Congress allowed the child tax credit to expire. American parents who thought that the government had thrown them a lifeline found it cruelly ripped away. Data from the Census Bureau estimated that nearly 9 million people had to call out last month, all due to this crisis, many of whom likely had no access to paid leave or sick time and simply lost out on their wages. But instead of a monthly payment on the 15th of the month, families impacted by the surging crisis received nothing. And these parents have continued to receive nothing as inflation rose to the highest point in 40 years. So the absence of the child tax credit has resulted in the highest number of children living below the poverty line since December of 2020. So my friends, what are your thoughts on reinstating the expanded monthly child tax credit checks? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Well, my friends, the keyword for this video is bumblebee. If you would like to enter this Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like my videos, comment below this keyword, and also additional keywords from any video of mine that you watch. And please do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. It is also important to remember that families who qualify for the expanded federal child tax credit and did not receive these payments will be able to claim the entire amount when they file their taxes this year. For all families with children under the age of 6, that's $3,600. And for families with children between the ages of 6 and 17 years old, they will receive $3,000 from their tax refund check. Well, my wonderful friends, this is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you very, very much for everyone who's watching and who's joined me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you. Please do me a big favor, friends, and share this video with your friends and family if they need more reliable and accurate stimulus news information. Thank you very much and have a wonderful Tuesday.